Okay, you're welcome once again on this channel. And today in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix incoming call not showing on display in Android. So if you are using an Android phone and your incoming call is not, showing, this is what you have to do. So first of all, you have to go to your phone menu, then you scroll down and click on settings. So tap on settings. So when you tap on the settings, wait. When it shows like this, what you have to do is to tap on your apps and management. So tap on app management. So when you tap on it, just wait. So when it brings you here, what you have to do next is to tap on the app settings. So when you tap on app settings, wait for it to load. So when you reach here, what you have to do is to search for phone. So let's scroll. So when you find your phone, just tap on it. So when you tap on your phone, go to notifications. So as you can see, all these are showing. So show notifications. So it is default is on, game mode is on, missed calls is on, voicemail is on, and the network that I'm using is also shown over here. You go back when you see that all is on. You have to go back. When it is not on, you have to turn it on. After that, tap on permissions. So when you tap on permissions, just allow call logs, camera, contact, phone, location, storage, allow everything. So as you can see, call log, camera, contact, and phone is allowed. So let's allow location. So tap on all. So tap on allow all the time. After that, go back. Then you tap on storage. So when you tap on storage, then you tap on allow, and then you go back. Then you're done. So let's go back. After doing this, what you have to do next is to tap on storage and cache. So you tap on the storage and cache. After that, to clear the cache. Then after that, you tap on clear storage. Then you tap on OK. After doing that, just go back. Then you tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. So what you have to do next after doing this is to go back. So when you go back like this, what you have to do next is to restart your phone. Turn your phone off, then you turn it on again. Turn it off, then you turn it on again. So after doing this, everything is going to work successfully. Do you get me? And sometimes too, you have to also check. Don't turn on airplane mode. Do you get me? Yeah, when you put your phone on airplane mode, you won't be able to receive calls from others. So that's very, very important that you have to note. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platform. Bye.